What's up? This is N52 Dylan here. This is my first video. I won't say first official video, but like first video I'll really upload. Basically, I'm just gonna upload some rollers that I took a couple weeks ago with my friends, and I hope y'all enjoy. Once I'm pretty much done with this semester and I go back home, hopefully. Actually, not even hopefully, there will for sure be a lot more videos and car content that we will be making, and so just stay tuned and like and make sure you like, subscribe, follow my Instagram, N52 Dylan. Also follow my TikTok. It's N52 Dylan as well. Yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe again, follow me, and show some love, because I'll also show it back. I love cars. So yeah, hopefully we could build a good community. So I wanted to say, some ideas that I do have of uploading on this channel probably be like car meets, cars and coffees, car mods, helping my friends do car mods on their cars, probably like car vlogs, just going to do stuff, and also just let me know what else like car content y'all would want to see, because why not? And yeah, and I think the first video that I will say is my first real video will probably be a breakdown of like my car and what I love and hate about it, and a few like not modifications but like a few things I've done to the car.